I got my Apple Watch. And I'm gonna open it. So, Apple Watch Series 3, because it's the cheapest one. Okay, I will start recording when I figure out how to open it, though. Okay. No, I just started. So. Oh, yeah, that sounds that's so satisfying. No, Mommy don't want to do it on TikTok because everyone does it on TikTok, so I'm going to do it on YouTube. Okay.
No. Stay down here.
Okay. Okay. Got the bottom open. Don't mind me. If I had longer nails, this would be an easier process.
Definitely.
Hold on. I'm just going to have to... It's stuck. There. Because I'm supposed to open it the other end, but I didn't want to, so... Designed by Apple Cat in California. So no one can say, oh, that's not a real Apple Watch. It's fake. So we take this. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So this is the Apple Watch. Yeah, I got it in black. Because if I got it in white, I was going to be one clumsy bitch. And then, so, this is the instructions. James, get down here, please. More paper. Open. They give you an extra band. It comes with an extra band, that's cool.
Mister, get down here, sir.
And then, and then it comes with a magnet charger. But yeah, this is my Apple Watch. It's black. So yeah, opening of the Series 3, I guess.